What's up? What's up, you guys? Hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. Today I'm going to make a chocolate zucchini bread with chocolate chips and walnuts. And let me explain why I'm making the chocolate zucchini bread. I have a 4-year-old grandbaby who is really picky. Don't understand why at 4 years old. She don't like any vegetables, but she loves chocolate. So every time I try to get her to eat something with vegetables, she'd be like, "Granny, I don't like that." So I'm like, okay, I'm finna fool this sister. So she loved chocolate and she loved chocolate chips. So this is the reason that I am making the chocolate zucchini bread. She won't know the zucchini is even in it, and she'll be eating the vegetables. Pretty slick, huh? Okay, in this bowl here, this is my dry ingredients. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And what you're going to do, you're just going to take your whisk and you're going to whisk this together until it's all combined. Okay, so that is the dry ingredients. So you just want to put that to the side. Okay, here for my wet ingredients, I have 2 room temperature eggs, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and I'm going to add the brown sugar, and that is 3/4 cups of light brown sugar. So I'm just going to take this in here, and then we're just going to whisk it together. And I'm hoping, I can get the brown sugar really smooth. But this is a pretty cool recipe, you guys. Kids these days are just so picky. When I was growing up, whatever my mom said before us, she was like, "You gonna eat it?" And I'd be like, "I don't like that." She said, "Guess what? Then you're not gonna eat." So I'm gonna fool this sister here. Okay, here's the brown sugar. We're just stirring it up with the eggs, vanilla, oil, and butter. Okay? Then after we do this, it's really quick, you guys, too. Quick and yummy. Okay. I still see a little specks of the brown sugar, but that will dissolve once I bake it. Okay, we've stirred that up. Now I'm going to add the dry ingredients to this. And amazingly, there is no milk or no liquid to this. Okay, let's stir the dry ingredients in. Wow, looks pretty yummy, huh? And you're going to put this in a 9x5 loaf pan, and you're going to do your oven at 350. Okay, I'm kind of making a mess here. Let's get this going. And my daughter, she took the weekend off, so of course I'm doing this by myself. Okay, let's get this dry ingredients incorporated, because it's just going all over the place, whether you guys can see this or not. I'm making a hot mess. And I want to say thanks to all of my new subscribers, and thanks to all of my old subscribers for continuing with me. Can't wait till the holidays, you guys. I got some awesome recipes that I'm going to pull out for the holidays. And yes, everything will be from scratch. So get your apron on. Get your thermometer for your oven to be right. And we're going to do some serious cooking. Okay, I've incorporated the dry ingredients. Next, I'm going to add the zucchini. And this is 1 1/4 cup of shredded zucchini I'm going to add. Ooh, you guys, please excuse me for making this mess. Okay, now I'm going to get a spoon. I'm not going to whisk this in. I want you guys to see this. And this is going to be a chocolate zucchini bread with walnuts and chocolate chips. And this also will be good, you know, for when your kids start back to school. Make this, slice it up, and give it to them for breakfast. Okay, I got the zucchini incorporated. Now let's do, this is 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm gonna pour that in here. And this is 1/2 cup of walnuts. The walnuts are optional. If you don't like walnuts, then you don't have to put them in. Or if your kids don't like walnuts, you don't have to put them in. Okay, let's put these in. Now, let's stir this up. And I did say preheat your oven. Sorry, you guys. Your oven to 350. And this is going to go in for 50 to 60 minutes. But as I always state, everybody's oven is different. So check it, I'm going to say at 40 minutes. And insert a toothpick. If it come out clean, then it's done. Okay, you guys, I'm going to put this in the loaf pan. And I'll be back anywhere from 40 to 60 minutes to show you guys the finished product. This looks so yummy. All right, stay connected. Okay, here it is in the loaf pan. Remember, your oven is at 350, and you're gonna bake it anywhere from 40 to 60 minutes. Check it. Once your toothpick comes out clean, then it is done. I'll be right back. This the way, I like it. Okay, you guys, here is the finished product of the chocolate zucchini bread with walnuts and chocolate chips. It is so moist and delicious, and it's not overly sweet. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay connected, and until next time, God bless you guys.